Are you looking for the best kids lunch solution? Well, look no further. This is the Bentgo Kids Lunchbox. They're leak-proof, BPA-free, non-toxic, and made with food-safe materials. It's designed with durable, rubber-coated edges that protect the lunchbox when dropped, 2 kid-friendly latches, and inside you'll find a removable microwave and dishwasher-safe tray with 5-portion perfect compartments. Recommended for children ages 3 to 7, this lid is perfectly contoured to each compartment to keep meals and snacks fresh and mess-free during transport. That means you can pack things like sauces, yogurt, ranch, hummus, and even applesauce without even worrying about it spilling between compartments or in your child's lunch bag. I like to pack my kids' lunches the night before and just stack them in the fridge so it's easy to grab and go the next day for school, picnics, or any outdoor activities. And cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the removable compartment tray in the top shelf of your dishwasher after meals and snacks. There are so many different colors, patterns, and prints to choose from to showcase your child's personality. The Bentgo Kids Lunchbox has won the PTPA seal of approval, has been featured all over the press, and is loved by millions of customers worldwide. Make life simple, fresh, healthy, and fun with the Bentgo Kids Lunchbox.